Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to set up a Shopify store. So just head over and then log into your Shopify account from there. And then once you have signed in, you should be able to see the stores that you have. So head over and click on this create store right here in order to create your Shopify store. So choose which best describes you if you're already selling or if you're just starting. Now head over and click on next right here and then just choose where would you like to sell, and then from there click on next, and then once you have done that, just answer what do you plan to sell first, so you can choose drop shipping or anything. Head over and click on next, and then from in there just choose your country and then click on next again. Now once you have done that, this will load your Shopify right here, so just wait for this. Now as you can see, this will build your store for you, so just wait for that. Now you can see in here your store, which is almost done. Just head over and then wait for that to finish. So as you can see, your store has been created. So you can head over and click on this eye icon right here in order to see what it looks like right now. So on default, this will be the look of your store. You can head over and edit that out by clicking on this online store right here. And then from in there, you can head over and then see the themes that you have. You can change the themes if you want to as well.